Ever wished you could, like, peek inside the mind of a math whiz, while they're solving a problem?
Oh, yeah.
Well, now you kind of can.
Really?
Get this Google's experimental Gemini 2.0 flash thinking model.
Okay.
It not only cracks these incredibly tough problems,
Wow.
but it also shows you its work every step of the way.
Interesting.
And that's not all.
Yeah.
This deep dive
Okay.
is packed with insights into how this AI breakthrough could change everything, especially for those of you in the tech world.
Okay.
So hit that subscribe button
Right.
to stay ahead of the curve because things are about to get fascinating.
It's not just about showing off either, this thinking out loud approach.
Right.
It actually boosts its reasoning power.
So instead of
a black box.
Yeah, a black box.
Spitting out answers.
Right.
Gemini 2.0 flash thinking.
Yeah.
It's designed to break down problems, explore different solutions,
Uh-huh.
even backtrack when it hits a whirl. Oh, wow. Just like a human would.
And the results are mind-blowing.
Yeah.
This thing scored a 73.3%
Okay.
on the American Invitational Mathematics Examination.
Wow.
The AIM. We're talking about a high school math competition.
Right.
So challenging
Yeah.
that most people wouldn't even know where to start.
And it's not just about being a mathlete.
Right.
What's remarkable is how Gemini 2.0 flash thinking
Okay.
tackles complex scientific reasoning.
Okay.
It aced the GPQA Diamond test for science with a 74.2% score.
Wow.
This test evaluates the ability to understand and apply scientific principles, not just memorize facts.
Right.
We're talking about predicting outcomes of chemical reactions based on a set of conditions, stuff that requires deep understanding, not just brute force calculation.
So it's like having access to a super intelligent study buddy.
Yeah.
Who can walk you through the toughest concepts.
Exactly.
And get this before giving you the final answer. It shows you its entire thought process.
Oh, wow.
In real time. Talk about transparency.
It's amazing.
This is huge, especially for developers
right.
looking to build the next generation of AI-powered applications.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Imagine building educational apps.
Right.
Where students can see exactly how the AI arrived at a solution.
Okay.
It's like having a virtual tutor.
Right.
That explains every step of the reasoning process.
Right.
Helping students grasp complex concepts in a whole new way.
Yeah.
Or think about research tools that can analyze massive data sets and then show researchers exactly which data points led to a specific conclusion.
Right.
This level of transparency
could
revolutionize how we learn and conduct research.
And it's not just limited to education and research.
Right.
Developers are already buzzing about the potential of Gemini's API to create AI-powered tools for content creation.
Content creation.
Think about generating SEO-optimized articles or marketing materials that are perfectly tailored to specific audiences with its multimodal capabilities.
Right.
It could even help create videos and other multimedia content, potentially saving content creators hours of work and boosting their reach.
The possibilities are endless.
Yeah.
And this is just the tip of the iceberg. We're talking about a potential paradigm shift in how we interact with technology.
Wow.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Right.
To understand the true game-changing nature of Gemini 2.0 flash thinking, we need to dive into what makes it so different from anything we've seen before. Remember that million token context window we touched on earlier?
Yeah.
It's like having an AI that can read and comprehend a whole library of information simultaneously.
Wow.
Think about the potential for research. Analyzing multiple scientific papers, cross-referencing data, and even generating hypotheses all at once.
And for developers, the native code execution feature.
Oh, yeah. That's a big one.
It's a complete game changer.
Absolutely.
Imagine being able to run and test code directly within the AI system itself, collaborating with it. To build even more sophisticated applications.
Exactly. It's like having an AI partner who not only understands your code, but can also help you debug and optimize it in real time.
Wow.
This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for building truly interactive and intelligent applications.
And all this leads to another exciting possibility, AI as a service.
Oh, yeah, AI as a service.
Imagine businesses being able to tap into Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking's power
Okay.
to create custom workflow automation tools
Right.
or decision-making systems.
Think about it.
Yeah.
Companies could have AI systems that analyze customer data, predicts market trends, or even optimize complex supply chains,
Wow.
all while providing transparent, auditable reasoning behind each decision.
Okay.
This level of transparency is key,
Yeah.
especially in sectors like finance,
Right.
where trust and accountability are paramount.
And speaking of trust,
Yeah,
this focus on transparency is paving the way
absolutely.
for a whole new ethical AI consulting.
It's no longer enough to just build powerful AI systems. We
Right.
need to ensure that these systems are used responsibly
Huh.
and ethically.
Yeah.
Ethical AI consultants can help businesses navigate
Right.
these complex issues
Okay.
by providing insights into how their AI systems work,
Huh?
identifying potential biases,
Mm-hmm.
and ensuring fairness and transparency in their applications.
It's like having an AI ethics watchdog,
Exactly.
making sure that these powerful tools are
Right.
used for good and don't perpetuate existing inequalities or create new ones.
Right.
And for individuals who are passionate about AI
Yeah.
and its potential,
Okay.
there's a huge opportunity to become educators and trainers
Absolutely.
in this rapidly evolving field.
Imagine creating and monetizing workshops
Right.
that teach developers
Yeah.
how to harness the power of Gemini 2.0 flash thinking
Okay.
to build innovative applications or help businesses leverage AI
Right.
for growth and efficiency.
There's a real hunger for knowledge
Absolutely.
in this space.
Yeah.
And with the democratization of AI access
Yeah.
through platforms like Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, the demand for skilled AI practitioners is only going to skyrocket.
It's an exciting time to be at the forefront of
Right.
this technological revolution.
Right.
But it's crucial to remember that this is still early days.
Right.
As Gemini 2.0 flash thinking evolves and matures,
Yeah.
we can expect to see even more creative and groundbreaking applications emerge.
So what does all this mean for someone
Right.
who may not be a developer or a tech expert?
Yeah.
How will this AI revolution impact the everyday person? It's easy to get caught up, in the technical details.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, what matters is how this technology impacts people's lives.
You're absolutely right. For the everyday person, Gemini 2.0 flash thinking represents a shift towards a more transparent and understandable AI.
Right.
It's like having a window into the decision-making process of the AI systems that are increasingly shaping our world.
I like that analogy. It's like instead of blindly trusting a navigation app to get you to your destination, you can now see the map, understand the route, and even question its choices if something seems off.
Right.
It gives you a sense of control and agency.
Precisely. And that sense of control can lead to greater trust in AI systems.
Right.
And when you understand how an AI arrives at its conclusions, it becomes less of a black box and more of a tool that you can use to your advantage.
It's like learning a new skill, like cooking.
Oh, yeah.
At first, you might just follow a recipe blindly.
Right.
But as you gain experience and understand the underlying principles, you start to experiment, adapt, and even create your own dishes.
Exactly.
Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking is giving us the tools to understand the recipe behind AI, empowering us to become more than just passive consumers of technology.
I couldn't agree more. This newfound transparency also has the potential to make AI more accessible and less intimidating when you can see the logic behind an AI's decision. It demystifies the technology and makes it easier for anyone to engage with it, regardless of their technical background.
Like learning a new language. At first, it might seem overwhelming. But once you grasp the basic grammar and vocabulary, you can start to understand and even communicate in that language.
Exactly.
Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking is giving us a glimpse into the language of AI, opening up a world of possibilities for communication and collaboration between humans and machines.
It's truly an exciting time to be witnessing this transformation in the way we interact with technology. But with all this talk about the future, it's important to remember that this is still just the beginning. As Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking and other transparent AI models continue to evolve, we can expect even more profound changes in the years to come.
Which is why it's more important than ever.
Absolutely.
To stay informed and engaged in the conversation around AI.
Yeah.
The decisions we make today about how we develop and deploy these systems will have a lasting impact on our future.
So keep learning, keep exploring,
Yeah.
keep asking questions. The future of AI is being shaped right now, and we all have a role to play in ensuring that it's a future that benefits all of humanity.
And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into Google's groundbreaking Gemini 2.0 flash thinking model.
It's been a fascinating one.
We hope you found this exploration insightful and, dare I say, exciting.
Absolutely.
If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button to catch our future episodes where we break down the latest advancements in tech and their impact on our world.
Absolutely.
Until then, stay curious and keep those minds open to the endless possibilities of the future.